Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Twitter, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what budgeting means. Budgeting is the process of creating a plan to manage your money. Twitter can be a valuable tool for budgeting if used effectively. First, create a Twitter account if you don't have one. This will allow you to follow financial experts, organizations, and budgeting tools. Next, follow relevant accounts that share budgeting tips. Look for hashtags like #budgeting, #personal-finance, and #money management. Engage with posts by commenting and asking questions. This interaction can lead to valuable insights and tips that you may not find elsewhere. Search for Twitter chats focused on budgeting topics. Participating in these chats can provide real-time advice and connect you with others interested in budgeting. Consider creating a list on Twitter exclusively for budgeting accounts. This will help you easily access the information you need without distractions. Share your budgeting journey on Twitter to hold yourself accountable. Posting updates can encourage feedback and support from your followers. Use Twitter polls to ask for opinions on budgeting methods. This engagement can help you discover new strategies to try. Follow budgeting apps and tools on Twitter for updates and promotions. Many financial apps share tips and tricks that could benefit your budgeting process. Make sure to check trending topics related to personal finance. These often highlight current discussions, tools, and ideas in budgeting. Lastly, periodically review what you've learned from Twitter. Assess which strategies have worked for you and adjust your approach as needed. By consistently engaging with the budgeting community on Twitter, you can improve your financial management skills over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.